Hello there. This is an update on Litecoin. Like Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptos, we've had a pretty good rally ever since we struck a bottom several weeks ago. As a matter of fact, Litecoin has rallied 60% off of what I'm calling our wave 2 bottom. However, we do have some strong resistance overhead right around 476 before we can get anywhere near that 1716 number that I identified as an overall higher target. In the micro picture, we have a pretty solid rally structure, better than a lot of the other cryptos. I've actually relabeled the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure on this since we've had a higher high since our last dip that I'm now calling a fourth wave. We actually hit the 1.764 target, which is a standard fifth wave target in Elliott Fibonacci pinball, perfectly. And we have been pulling back ever since. I'm calling this a wave 2, as with pretty much all of the other cryptos. I expect our wave 2 to take us into this purple box that is displayed here between about $157 and $146. We may extend and drop a bit lower, but as long as we hold $137.39, we are in good shape. That's what this red line here represents. It is a good time to buy. This thing could reverse really quickly if we are done with wave 2. If wave 2 is going to go deeper, there isn't much downside room left for this to go down any lower. Assuming that we hold all this, if this wave 2 holds and we stay above this red line for any kind of continuation for this correction, our wave 3 should take us up to the 275 to 295 range, again for the third wave. After a fourth wave consolidation, we should ultimately hit a range between $307 and $327 for the fifth wave. This fifth wave would be the top of a larger wave 1 that is marked in the parentheses with the Roman numeral. This wave 1 actually does seem to get us into our expected standard range. Again, unlike with Bitcoin and Ethereum, this structure from the March 2020 bottom up until earlier 2021, I'm calling this a wave 1 and the subsequent pullback a large wave 2. So in this case, with this crypto, I do expect a powerful rally for a third wave. And in this third wave, we do expect our first microwave, our subwave 1, to hit between the 0.382 extension and the 0.618 extension. As I mentioned, right now we are projecting to the 307 to 327 range. So that puts us right in the range that we need to be in, which is between 305 and 590, right in that range. Higher would be better. That would get us better extensions overall. As we get near the all-time high, which was right around 412, right in that range, we would expect to see a wave 2. So as I mentioned, once again, our wave 1 is projecting near that resistance I mentioned earlier in the video, 476. I expect us to hit our head on that and pull back pretty swiftly for a wave 2. Assuming that that holds, if that wave 2 holds, that's when I think the fuse would be lit. Third wave of a third wave is pretty much the strongest movement in all of Elliott Waves, the entire Elliott Wave universe. That would take us to 1716, presumably. So again, we need to see our larger wave 1 complete. We need to see a nice consolidation wave 2 that is corrective. And then we can see a powerful rally take us up to our original target. Now, looking longer term, that is the 1.0 extension. You would expect a fourth wave from there. And then your larger third wave would top anywhere between the 1.382 and the 1.618 extension of this large 1-2 that we have so far, which would place us at $5,000 plus. So again, let's not get ahead of ourselves right now. We have a long way to go. We have a lot of resistances to clear. Right now, let's get through this wave 2. If you have any lump sums to purchase, now is the time. Dollar cost averaging, keep doing your thing. I expect us to get up to all-time highs relatively quickly if this pattern does hold together. So until next time, happy trading. Thank you for watching.